Hey there, fantastic learners. Welcome back to ChimpVine, where learning is always an adventure. Today we're diving into the world of nouns, specifically singular and plural nouns. Let's get started. First up, singular nouns. They're like a solo superstar. Look at this adorable cat. It's just one cat. Remember, when there's only one, it's a singular noun. Now let's switch gears to plural nouns. It's like a party with more than one. Check out all these playful cats, dogs, and animals. See, when there's more than one, we call them plural nouns. Difference number one between singular and plural nouns: the number. Singular nouns are just one, while plural nouns are more than one. Simple, right? Now let's explore another difference. Difference number two: the way we change them. When we want to make a noun plural, we often add s or es to the end. Like turning one cat into many cats. Difference number three: how we use them in sentences. Singular nouns fit perfectly when we're talking about just one thing. But when there's more than one, that's where plural nouns shine. Well done, super learners! You've just mastered 3 key differences between singular and plural nouns. Isn't learning exciting? Don't forget to subscribe for more educational fun with ChimpVine. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.